when you heard your chest number, it was totally up of the sky, sir. I was very happy at that time.
Any particular question that foxed you? I mean, you were not prepared. You had been to the SSB twice before, and you were getting screened out. What do you think was going wrong with you then?
Interviewer sir asked that, do you have did any coaching? So I just said that yes, I have did lecturate, sir. Lecturate part, I was very weak at that. But Colonel Nair sir helped me in getting through it.
Good morning, Ayush. How are you?
Good morning, sir. I'm fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm also fine, Ayush. And how does it feel to be a recommended candidate?
Sir, it's great feeling, sir. When you heard your chest number, it was totally up of the sky, sir. I was very happy at that time.
Okay, for the benefit of the viewers, let me introduce Ayush Dubey. Ayush is a NDA aspirant, and this was his third attempt for NDA,
Yes, sir.
and he hails from a small town in Bihar, and he had done well academically, maybe not so well in 10th, but 12th, of course, he did very well. He scored about 98%. Ayush, you had been to the SSB twice before, and you were getting screened out. What do you think was going wrong with you then?
Sir, my first attempt was for TS44 and was second for ND145, sir. I think in both attempt, I don't have clarity in my sir speaking and in my story writing, sir. So that is the point where I was going wrong, sir. I just worked upon it and tried to put more points in group discussion. And in my previous attempts, I was lacking there. So that's why I think that I was getting screened out, sir.
So then you came to AFPA. I mean, what magic happened suddenly that you not only got screened in and you got recommended?
Sir, practicing for 6 time boost confidence, sir. And there I got to know that where I'm going wrong. Daily getting feedback on performance helped me a lot to improve, and discussing with all other aspirants helped me a lot that how I can improve. So all these things helped me in getting screened in on the first day, sir.
Excellent, excellent. You see, a lot of people wonder how is AFPA able to give so many success stories. And I would like to tell them that there are no short tricks and there are no methods of fooling the system that we are teaching here. One must be very, very clear. It requires a lot of hard work on the part of the teachers and the part of the students to achieve success. And those 14 days, I'm sure Ayush, you would agree that the teachers perhaps worked more than the candidates in the academy.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 6 practices, and after every practice, you get a feedback. So you get to refine your skills, and then you become competent. That is the secret.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
So now coming to the technique per se, Ayush, out of the 3 technique, which technique you think you have done the best?
Sir, GTO. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
you did
In
well
GTO,
in
I
GTO.
think. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me what was the highlight and why do you think that you have done well in GTO?
So in GTO, mostly it was group task. So we contributed to each and every cooperated with everyone, sir. And in individual task, I just tried to give myself more time to prepare. In lecturate was my best, sir. My lecturate was on defense budget, so I put facts and figure. So thereby I was good. And in group discussion, I tried to cooperate with others. So my starting was good. So I tried to participate more and help other in PGT, HGT, or any other tasks. So that's why I think my GTO was very good.
Excellent. And Ayush, I have interacted with you in AFPA. I have conducted classes for you. One very good thing about you was I remember this. You're a very simple but a very honest boy. That I never told you when you were in AFPA, but I'm telling you now that you really impressed me when I saw you in AFPA. Very simple, सीधा साधा, and दिल का अच्छा लड़का था तुम. Very good. See, this helps.
Thank you, sir.
This really helps, particularly in group technique, where you have to work as a group. You have to be a nice person, good person, cooperative. At the same time, take your opportunities and put across your views. Excellent, Ayush. So, what was the next one? Which was the next one?
Second one was the interview part.
Very good. See,
Yes,
again,
sir.
any interviewing officer, when he sees, it doesn't matter. You may come from a village or you may come from any part of the country. You may be from a low socio-economic background. I'm sure your father is a farmer, mother is a housewife, and your household income is 16,000 rupees a month. That's what you have written. So, that does not matter to us at all. In the contrary, let me tell you, somebody from a village background like you would be given more trainability marks, because you have not had great exposure and experience in life, and given a good exposure and experience in life, you are likely to become much better than what you are today,
Yes,
and
sir.
hence you are a more trainable person. So इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It's a very proud moment to see Ayush, from a small town, small village in Bihar, making it till here. So I'm sure that impresses the interviewing officers also. So why do you
Yes, sir.
think why do you think you have not done so well in psych?
Sir, my psych part was good, sir. All three part was good, but I ranked according to what I feel. In psych, sir, I think that some stories were very much similar to, so I was not able to get various ideas on them. So in that part, I feel that I could have done better. Otherwise,
Fine.
sir, my VAT was very good. I attempt all 60 VAT, and in SRT, sir, I attempt 35 SRT. So I think that I could have done better in SRT or TAT, sir.
So you could do only 35
Ranking
SRT.
side. Yes, sir.
Oh, that's less. So tell me, how long were you waiting outside the conference room?
Sir, 3 to 4 minutes, sir.
Acha, okay, great. Okay, very good. So finally, your chest number got called.
Yes, sir.
Dil
Sir,
Dhadkan.
mine chest number was chest number 11. It was very awesome feeling, sir.
So you must have informed your parents. How did they feel about it?
Sir, I first called my sister, sir. Then I called my parents. They were very much happy, sir. My mother was crying at that time, so it also made me emotional at that time, sir. It was great feeling.
Excellent. Mission NDA program, you must have seen us running
Yes,
it here
sir.
in AFPA. There are a lot of boys from Bihar in the second batch and now in the third batch also. And I always believed, I had course mates from Bihar. I always believed that boys from Bihar are very intelligent actually. बहुत अच्छा उनका mathematical brain होता है. They are very good in maths. So I am really hopeful that Mission India of AFPA will produce great results this time. Let's see. So what do you think? I mean, you have seen us training them. What is your view about this Mission India? How did you perceive them?
Sir, I think that Mission India is very good, sir, because getting into habit of a trainee, sir, it is very important for anyone. And practicing and living with officers, daily practicing and speaking in English, it is the most important, sir. And general knowledge, reading newspaper, it just boosts your confidence. Punctuality comes when you live in such environments, sir. So these all things help to develop your morale, sir.
Okay, very good. So finally, you went for the medicals. So what happened in medicals, Ayush?
Sir, in medical, all was good, sir. But in surgical part, I was found unfit in hernia, sir. So I got PR in hernia.
Hernia is a curable thing, so you need not
Yes, sir.
worry. I think you've gone ahead and done your laparoscopic surgery, right? So that is not a
Yes, sir.
major problem. I'm sure you will get through in the appeal and you will be able to join the NDA. So tell me, you came to AFPA, you found your success finally. What, in your views, AFPA actually contributed to your success? Tell me.
Sir, on very first day, you just said that APA contribute to 25% in your success. So it was full 25%. I think more than it, sir, because I get to know that where I'm going wrong. I worked upon it, and getting correct reviews is very important, sir. Daily practice helped me, and the most important, sir, I always recovered lecturate, sir. Lecturate part, I was very weak at that, but Colonel Nair, sir, helped me in getting through it, and 6 lecturate practices help me to that how I can say and how I can improve my speaking skills, sir. So all these things help me a lot, sir. And in GTO part, sir, Hasabni sir said that you can improve upon it. Don't get pressurized when GTO is saying something. You can work and we'll get through it, sir. So all these things were very good, sir.
If you remember anything which is really memorable out of your stay in AFPA, any one moment that you would like to describe?
Sir, about any tasks, sir?
Any one moment in AFPA. It could be your, stay in the hostel, whatever. Anything that you
Sir,
carry.
Sir, I just remember, it is one most important lesson, sir, for me, sir. In command task, Hassan Bey sir said that will you go further or your teammate? I just said that my teammate or my fellow will go. I will not go. I will just help them. So he just asked that why you will not go and they will go. I was commander at that time. So I was just stuck at that point, sir. So he told me that you have always to lead. You are officer and commander of them, so you have the responsibility of security to them. So I think that this is one of the memorable lines which I feel that it is very much important for me, sir.
Okay. Now, after you trained here and you went to SSB, is there anything, any particular question that foxed you? I mean, you were not prepared, and or any such thing happened where you felt, यार अरे ये तो मेरे को पता ही नहीं था.
No, sir. All things went very smoothly, sir. Interviewer sir asked that do you have did any coaching? So I just said that yes, I have did from AFPA. He asked everything about AFPA, that where it is, who run it. So I just told everything truly that yes, I have did coaching. Everything got smooth, sir.
And still you got recommended. You see,
Yes, sir.
I'm सारे पूछते रहते हैं कि सर हमें पूछा जाए तो हम क्या बोले. And I always tell them that अरे क्या तुमने कोई चोरी थोड़ी की. तुमने 2 बार तुम्हारा स्क्रीन आउट हो गया, यू गॉट स्क्रीन आउट ट्वाइस, तो यू शुड टेक अ प्रोफेशनल हेल्प. क्या फर्क पड़ता है उससे, मतलब बिल्कुल बताना चाहिए. आई ओपनली से. हाँ, आपने भी बताया, मैं कई इंटरव्यूज लेता हूँ, जनरली हमारे सारे बच्चे बता देते हैं कि हाँ सर मैंने कोचिंग ली है. तो क्या कर लिया, पाप कर दिया. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. एसएसएस डू नॉट लुक एट यू डिफरेंटली जस्ट बिकॉज यू गॉट कोच्ड. भाई तुमने तैयारी की है, उतना अच्छा प्रिपरेशन किया है, और 2 बार अगर फेल होने के बाद आप कर नहीं भी करोगे तो ये भी तो पता चलता है, अरे कुछ करता ही नहीं, वापस आ जाता है ना. दैट्स वेरी, so nothing to worry. This I'm saying for the viewers, coaching is not a taboo. SSS don't look at coaching negatively. मैं इसलिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ because I run AFPA, and it is always good to be prepared better, and prepared in the right direction. Right? Wonderful. So Ayush, if you want to give a message to the future aspirants of defense, what would you like to say?
Sir, I will say that positivity, keeping yourself positive is one thing that help you every time, sir. It is we are told about 15 OLQs, sir. I think that positivity is the base of all OLQs, because you will get responsible when you will be positive. You will get through it after any situation if you will positive. In interviews, sir, various questions were asked that where I was stuck, but I kept myself positive, sir. You just said that liveliness is very important OLQ. I kept myself lively, sir. And even sir, interviewers are in conference said that you have a very good smile on your face. So all these things, I think that positivity helped a lot in getting through in any situation, sir. And SSB is one part of that.
Very true. Very true. See, as an officer, if you are not positive, if you are not buoyant, how are you going to lead your men? particularly when you are facing a difficult situation. The situation चाहे जैसा भी रहे, we should stay positive and we should look at the situation, find solutions. That will only happen once you are calm in the mind, you are buoyant, that your brain will work in the positive direction. That's wonderful, Ayush, and it was very, very nice talking to you. And anything else that you would like to tell your viewers?
Sir, I will share just one my experience in SSB, sir. Uh, it was a different experience because one of my roommates, sir, was tested COVID positive. So we all were sent to isolation ward. And on the very second day, sir, all were giving their psychology and interview test, and we are waiting for our COVID result as we all get tested. And the very next day, we all found COVID negative. So on the third day, we are going to give our psychology and interview part, and on fourth day, our GTO 1 and GTO 2 part, sir. So again, that positivity part came, sir. If I will have get negative on second day, my performance was not have been good, but I worked, and I think that positivity again came in that, sir.
Very good, very good. It was wonderful talking to you, Ayush, and I'm sure you are going to inspire many defense aspirants, and they will get motivated hearing you. It's not easy. NDA is not easy. Where 5-6 lakh people appear in the exam, just 450 odd get to join the defense academy. You are one of those. Excellent. So from AFPA, from everybody in AFPA, I wish you all the very best. May you serve the nation with pride and with a smile like you have one.
Yes, sir.
So remain positive, remain smiling, and I'm sure you will do exceedingly well in the service. God bless you, Ayush. Thank you very much for sparing your time, and Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. Jai Hind, sir.